off-leash canine Boise. Meet Jessie. Jessie is our newest 2-week board and train. He is a 1.5 year old golden retriever. The owners bring him to us because they say he loves everybody, but the way he wants to greet them is by jumping up on them. Like most Goldens, he has quite a bit of puppy energy. So the main things we're going to be working on with Jessie, first and foremost, leash manners. Also jumping. The owner says he also has a little bit of selective hearing. She takes him to the off-leash dog park quite a bit. And when he's out running around and playing with his other friends, he won't come back. So that come command is going to be very important. Because he likes to jump a lot and he really gets in your personal bubble, we also want to make sure he has a good understanding of that place command. Place is going to give him spatial awareness, especially at home if the owner's trying to cook, you know, eat dinner, watch TV, whatever it is. That way he can stay in his place. He can still be part of the family, but he's not right underfoot. As you can tell, he's very enthusiastic about life. We're so excited to work with him, so make sure you stay tuned for his transformation. Go boy, Jessie, go boy. Ah, yes, go boy. Good boy. Good boy.